In this video, I will show you how to get the unlimited game saves with a mod. So to do this, first we need to go to this website. Here's where we are going to install the mod for the game. So now here we need to search the game. For this case, it's Kingdom Come Deliverance. Here, as you can see, this is the game we're looking for. And now we need to search for the unlimited saving that you can find right here, as you can see, unlimited saving 2. And now for this, to download the mod, also we need to first make an account. As you can see here, I already have an account created. So to download the game, we can go click here and download from here, or we can also click on this button. I will choose this one. So now we have the mod downloaded. So what we need to do now is to go to the folders game. You can do that by going to the Steam and clicking on manage and browse the files. For example, in this game, I can go here and browse local files, but I already have my folder here. So now what we need to do is go to the downloads, and we need to unzip the folder. So we can use 7-zip or whatever you want to use. I will use 7-zip. And now here we need to move this folder inside the folder we need to create. So here in the game, we need to create a new folder. This will be the mods folder. You need to name it this way. You have to name it mods. Now here we are going to drop the folder. As you can see here, we need to drop this folder here. So I will just drop this here. And now we can just open the game and test if it's working. Okay, so now in the game, as you can see here, I don't have any snaps, so I can't save the game. But with this mod, if we press F5, as you can see here, it just said game saved, so this is working. So that's pretty much it. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.